Welcome back, students. I hope you had gone through the previous videos of class 10th chapter electricity, and today we are going to study the same chapter and the next few topics, and today's topic is electric circuits. So as you had seen in the screen, that electric circuit is a pathway for the flow of charge. Okay, as you had seen in previous video that we had made some container on a particular height, and at ground level we make another container, and both the container have some water. Okay, this is at some place of height h. So what we do, actually we provide the U-shaped tube for the flow of water. Okay, so water will flow from higher potential to lower potential. So consider if there is no tube present over here. In the absence of tube, is it possible to for the flow of water? Of course it is not. Okay, so it means that circuit is basically the combination of electrical appliances via wires, conducting wires, which provides a pathway for charge to move through the circuit, by virtue of which current could be flow. Okay, so a basic schematic diagram of electrical circuits shown in the figure. It consists a cell, which is a energy source, a bulb, electric bulb symbol, which is a device, a load. Ammeter is present for getting the measuring of current, that how much current is flowing in the circuit. We had already discussed the ammeter. And a key, plug key. Plug key is just like a switch to make circuit on and off. तो बेसिकली सर्किट एक टाइप का पाथवे है, एक टाइप का रास्ता है जो चार्ज को फ्लो होने के लिए जरूरी है. तो अगर ये रास्ता कहीं से टूट गया, तो चार्ज फ्लो नहीं हो पाएगा, यानी आपकी करंट रुक जाएगी, सर्किट ब्रेक हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इन दिस मैनर वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड some symbols related to circuits. Okay, so here are some list of symbols present over here, but I should think that before it we should draw the circuits so that we can understand the proper meaning of some circuits. As you see, suppose this is the circuit. A simple line is representing a wire. Okay, a line with this zigzag pattern is representing the resistor, and the resistor we will study resistor in the next video definitely, that what is the meaning of resistor, how it works, and why it is important. Resistor, as you see, it is just like a speed breakers as you see on roads. So this is the speed breaker for the flow of charge, and that's why it resists the path of charge, resists the current, and that's why it is resistor. If there is a line and another wire is coming on this way, so this is the wire without touching to each other. Wire with no touching. Okay, no touch. But if there is any two lines intersecting each other, it means the wires are joining over here. There is a junction present over here. So this is the junction of wires. Junction. Some special symbols are here. This, if you go through this symbol, then you see that this symbol is written as V, so of course this is a voltmeter. Okay, this is voltmeter, while this is ammeter because it is written as A over here. This symbol is representing the number of cells in a single way, so it is some type of battery. If there are more than one cell is present in a series, then it is called battery, while this symbol is called a key. Key is just like a switch. One more symbol which is quite related with the key is there is one more symbol which you can make as a key is here by this. You see, this is also the key, where this particular sign is representing the on mode of a key. At this time key is on mode, and when this type of symbol is present, so it means your key is off, your switch is off. Okay. One more type of key is also is there in case of electrical symbols, that suppose this is a conductor and this is a wire. Okay, so now as you see, the wire is not connecting with the other one. It means here the condition is off condition is representing, while on the other hand, if there is a conductor which is connecting with another wire, so this type of symbol is representing the on mode. Okay, so it means there are various ways to represent the key, and in key there are either two type of key will be present. Either it will be representing your on mode, or it will be represent you off mode. So you must be clear on that fact, that whether the key is representing on or off. Let's discuss some more examples of circuit symbols. That there is one more important device is present, galvanometer. Galvanometer is represented by G, and it is quite similar to voltmeter and ammeter, but in galvanometer, in voltmeter the needle is representing by pointing 0 to something here, suppose say 5, and between here 1, 2, 3, 4 marking is present. And suppose it is, if there is voltmeter, so it means it is representing 0 to 5 volt. It may be, so this type of device is called voltmeter. But if there is symbol A is printing on that device, it means this is an ammeter, and at that time it can give you the measure of 0 to 5 ampere current. So this is the voltmeter and ammeter. While in case of galvanometer, the meter of this device, the marking of this device is quite different. Galvanometer is used to just get the idea that whether the current is present in the circuit or not. So if you see any type of galvanometer, then in that galvanometer the 0 point, the mean position point is in the middle position. Here is 0, and somewhere here is 1, 2, 3, 4, as in negative 1, 2, 3, 4. These markings are present. So needle is over here. So galvanometer is just to give you the idea, to give you the sense that whether the current is flowing in the circuit or not. Galvanometer is used to detect the current, not for measuring the current. बट ये एक अलग बात है कि गैल्वेनोमीटर को एमीटर और वोल्ट मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, बट दैट इज योर नेक्स्ट क्लास टॉपिक्स, ये आप 12th में पढ़ोगे. अभी के लिए आप बस इतना ही समझ लीजिए दैट वोल्ट मीटर इज यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट, टू मेजर द voltage and the potential difference between any two ends of a wire, while The ammeter is used to measure the current in a circuit, and galvanometer is used to detect the current, that whether current is flowing or not. Okay, now moving ahead, some more electrical symbols are also present, that as I have told you that resistor is somehow resists the flow of charge, and it is has a constant value. But suppose if we have a device which can vary the resistor, so that is called variable resistance, known as rheostat. So this symbol is also representing the rheostat, and this symbol is also representing the rheostat. Similarly, this symbol is also representing the rheostat. No matters that which type of symbol you are using, basically these all symbols are representing the same electrical appliance, that is rheostat. I'll show you the rheostat actually in a quite good manner when the school will be open and we will familiar in the real lab experiments. Then we will study the how rheostat works. Okay, now one more thing which I want to clear over here, that in electrical circuit, whenever the arrow sign made on any device, that arrow means it is a variable. For example, if we have a battery symbol here and there is a line over here, it means it is a variable battery. If we have a resistance and we have an arrow over here, it means it is a variable resistor. If we have a coil and we have a line over it, it means it is a variable inductor. If we have a capacitor having line over it, means it is a variable capacitor. So this arrow on any device make that variable range. Okay, so this is the whole meaning of symbols. Let's discuss some other symbols or see the correct figures, that how the symbol is looks like. Okay, you see here is some good elaboration of electrical circuit symbol is present to you. You see, this is the G representing the galvanometer, G representing the galvanometer, ammeter representing the current, voltmeter for voltage, resistor, this is a capacitor, inductor, diode. These diodes, capacitor, inductor is actually the next topic, next chapter topic, but we will discuss it over here. And see this, you see this is a battery because it have more than one positive and negative combination, that's why it is a battery. When we put a arrow over it, it will become variable battery, that is variable power supply. That is, you see this symbol representing by this is a AC source, alternating current source. A simple line is a wire with connection and a switch. So these are some symbols. I hope that you had get familiarized with this electrical circuit and electrical symbols, and I hope you also get the meaning of electrical circuit. That electric circuit is basically a pathway for the flow of charge. Okay, so till here we should conclude our video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you, learners.